Asana Workflow Builder Automation Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get task management tools wrong. They assume it's just checklists. The surprising truth about Asana Workflow Builder is how it automates complex processes across teams, and you won't believe how much time it can save when set up correctly. Here's how it works. Asana's Workflow Builder allows businesses to create automated workflows for recurring tasks, approvals, and project handoffs. Users can trigger actions based on project updates, task completions, or custom rules. For example, a marketing team can automate content approval. Once a draft is uploaded, Asana routes it to the right reviewer, sends reminders, and updates the project status automatically. Most people get this wrong. They assume automation is limited, but Asana supports multi-step workflows across teams and tools. Additional features include integrations with Slack, Google Workspace, and Microsoft Teams, conditional logic for complex workflows, and reporting to track productivity and bottlenecks. Teams can also save templates for recurring processes. However, there are considerations. Overcomplicated workflows can confuse teams, and initial setup requires planning. Most people assume automation is instant. Success depends on thoughtful design and team adoption. In conclusion, Asana Workflow Builder is ideal for teams looking to streamline operations, reduce manual work, and maintain accountability. Its automation capabilities make project management smarter and more efficient. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of productivity and automation tools.